Hi, in today's video, I will show you how to edit PDF files on Android. If you have a PDF document on your phone and you need to make changes, add text, highlight information, or add a signature, you can do it directly from your Android device. Let's get started. First, open the PDF file that you want to edit. You can find your PDF in the Files app, Downloads folder, Email, or Messaging app. For this tutorial, we will use Adobe Acrobat Reader. If you do not have it installed, you can download it from the Google Play Store. Once the app is open, find your PDF document and tap on it. After opening the document, look for the Edit or Edit PDF option. Keep in mind that some advanced editing features may require a paid subscription, depending on the app and the type of editing you want to do. If you only need to add information to the PDF, you can use the fill and sign or add text options. Tap on the text option, then tap anywhere on the PDF where you want to add text. Type the information you need. You can move the text around and adjust its size so it fits properly on the document. You can also use the drawing or annotation tools to highlight important information. Choose the highlight option, then drag your finger over the text you want to highlight. You can also add notes, draw on the document, or mark specific areas depending on the tools available in your PDF app. If you need to add your signature, select the Fill and Sign option. Create your signature by drawing it with your finger or using one that you have already saved. Then tap on the document to place your signature. You can move and resize the signature until it is in the correct position. Once you have finished editing the PDF, carefully review the document. Make sure all the information is correct and that nothing important was accidentally changed. When everything looks good, tap Save or save a copy. It is usually better to save a copy so that you can keep the original PDF unchanged. Give the edited file a new name, such as Updated Document, and save it to your preferred folder. You can now open the edited PDF from your Files app and share it through email, messaging apps, or other available options. And that's it. You now know how to edit PDF files directly on your Android phone. Happy watching, and please subscribe.